Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and right click with Chrome Remote Desktop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Chrome Remote Desktop website right here, remotedesktop.google.com if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go right there and it's going to open up this main page. From this home page, we are going to see two buttons. We have the Access My Computer button that is going to enable us to securely access your computer whenever you're away, or the Share My Screen button that is going to enable you to share your screen to collaborate in real time or connect with another computer. So once you've done this, now we can get started accessing our computer from a different browser, either from our iPhone or phone or whatever. It's going to enable us to set up remote access using this button right here. So you can go ahead and download it, install it, and get started with connecting. So once you've done that, let's go and take a look at how to right click. So basically guys, if you're using Chrome Remote Desktop with another desktop which has a mouse all connected to it, you can just go ahead and right click with that mouse and it's going to enable you to do so directly within the application. But if you're using your mobile device or something with a touch screen, here we have a thread on Reddit. Somebody asked the same question, how you right click with the Chrome Remote Desktop, and basically the answer is you just want to tap the screen with two fingers in the application. This is going to go ahead and open up the right click menu and is going to show you all the options that you have using the right click menu, and this is how to go ahead and use it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.